Hey there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have something truly groundbreaking to share with you. Have you ever imagined making money using nothing but your words and a little help from an incredible AI-powered language model? No? So we are here to tell you the fantastic ways to make money by ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we are diving deep into the world of ChatGPT and revealing 6 mind-blowing ways to make money in 2023. Before getting into the topic, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. Guys, if you've been keeping up with the newest developments in artificial intelligence, you've definitely heard of ChatGPT, the complex language model developed by OpenAI. But did you know that ChatGPT isn't just a tool for conversation, but it's more than that? Instead, actually, it can also be a fantastic way for you to make money in 2023. You know, ChatGPT is not like any other chatty AIs, but it's a dynamo of intelligence, problem-solving skills, and creativity. You can think of it all in one package, like having your own personal mentor, business partner, and assistant. Moreover, in a world where digital entrepreneurship and remote work are becoming more popular, using ChatGPT's potential can significantly increase your income and present you with a world of limitless opportunities. So guys, if you want to escape from your 9-to-5 job and dream of becoming your own boss or simply increasing your bank balance, then you've arrived at the right place. Whether you're an experienced professional trying to diversify your income streams or a beginner ready to dip your toes into the world of online profits, this video is packed with game-changing methods that can revolutionize your financial landscape. That's right. In this video, we'll be sharing 6 incredible ways you can leverage ChatGPT to generate income. So without wasting time, now let's explore the fascinating world of earning money with ChatGPT. So get your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started. Number 1. Freelance writing. So, the very first way to make money in 2023 utilizing ChatGPT is by freelance writing. As a freelance writer, you can showcase your talents to clients who require high-quality written content. This could be anything from blog posts, articles, website copy, product descriptions, or even social media content. In this way, you can enhance your productivity and efficiency. It might also give you a new viewpoint, recommend appropriate sources and research materials, and help you improve your writing style. You can deliver great content that stands out and keeps clients coming back for more by taking help with ChatGPT. Because of its language generating capabilities, ChatGPT can help you create high-quality written material. From blog posts to product descriptions, many businesses are willing to pay for well-written material. You just have to simply offer your services as a freelance writer, and ChatGPT will ultimately help you brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, and even draft content. You can increase your writing efficiency and take on additional assignments with ChatGPT as your sidekick. Furthermore, ChatGPT's efficiency enables you to work on numerous projects at the same time. You'll be able to meet deadlines, handle a larger workload, and ultimately boost your earning potential as a freelance writer. So whenever you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon to success in the freelance writing field. Number 2. Content creation. Guys, let me tell you that ChatGPT is not just limited to writing. It can also help you with other forms of content creation, like if you're a YouTuber, blogger, or podcaster, you can use ChatGPT to generate video scripts, blog post outlines, or podcast episode ideas. When it comes to video creation, ChatGPT can generate video scripts, outlines, and even creative ideas for your next video. This also frees up your time to focus on other aspects of content production, such as filming, editing, or marketing. Similarly, bloggers can use ChatGPT to generate blog post outlines, captivating introductions, and even catchy headlines. It can assist you with structuring your content, suggesting supporting arguments, and ensuring that your work flows smoothly. Overall, guys, ChatGPT can be your creative companion, generating unique and engaging content ideas. It's like having a virtual creative partner that helps you generate fresh ideas, streamline your content production process, and ultimately enhance your chances of success in the digital content landscape. Number 3, online tutoring. Now, let's shift our focus to the world of online tutoring, where ChatGPT can become a valuable asset. Online tutoring has gained immense popularity, with students and learners seeking personalized and convenient learning experiences. Guys, are you knowledgeable in a particular subject or have expertise in a certain field? If yes, then you can become an online tutor and use ChatGPT to assist you during your tutoring sessions. ChatGPT's vast knowledge base can serve as a powerful resource during tutoring sessions. Whether you're teaching a specific subject like math, science, or language, or providing general academic support, ChatGPT can provide instant answers to questions, offer explanations, and help clarify concepts. Whether it's helping students with homework, explaining complex concepts, or providing language practice, ChatGPT can provide you with valuable information and suggestions, making your tutoring sessions even more effective. By integrating ChatGPT into your online tutoring sessions, you can offer a more comprehensive and valuable learning experience to your students. Number 4, chatbot development. Now guys, let's explore the world of chatbot development, where ChatGPT can play a pivotal role. As we can see in today's digital age, businesses are increasingly turning to chatbots to enhance customer experiences and automate their support services. Hence, as a chatbot developer, you can leverage ChatGPT's natural language processing capabilities to create intelligent and interactive chatbots. These chatbots can understand and respond to customer inquiries, provide product recommendations, offer support, and even assist in making purchases. In short, we can say that ChatGPT can be a game changer in chatbot development. You can use ChatGPT to build intelligent chatbots that engage with customers, answer their queries, and provide personalized recommendations. By offering chatbot development services, you can help businesses automate their customer support and earn money while doing so. We have discussed how to earn money from AI tools as well in a separate video. Tap on the banner for details. Number 5, creative writing support. Are you an aspiring author or someone who loves to write stories? If yes, then ChatGPT can be your creative writing companion. Whether you're an aspiring novelist, screenwriter, or storyteller, ChatGPT can help you fuel your creativity. When you're struggling with plot ideas, character development, or overcoming writer's block, ChatGPT can offer fresh perspectives and unique plot twists, and even help you brainstorm story elements. ChatGPT's vast knowledge and ability to generate text can inspire your imagination and help you create captivating stories that resonate with readers. You can even publish your work and earn royalties from book series. Number 6, ChatGPT Ambassador. Now let's explore an exciting opportunity that goes beyond direct monetization, becoming a ChatGPT ambassador. As ChatGPT continues to revolutionize the way we interact with AI, there's a growing need for individuals who can promote its benefits and educate others on its capabilities. As a ChatGPT ambassador, you become a voice, an advocate for this innovative technology. You can create content on platforms like YouTube, blogs, or social media, where you share your experiences, tips, and insights on using ChatGPT effectively. One of the key aspects of being a ChatGPT ambassador is showcasing the various ways in which ChatGPT can be utilized. You can demonstrate how it has helped you in your own endeavors, whether it's writing, content creation, tutoring, or any other field. Additionally, you can provide tutorials and guides on how to maximize the benefits of ChatGPT. As a result, OpenAI often offers rewards and incentives to ambassadors, giving you the opportunity to earn while spreading awareness about this incredible technology. And there you have it, 6 exciting ways to make money using ChatGPT in 2023. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, tutor, developer, writer, or ambassador, ChatGPT can be your secret weapon to success. If you're a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. ChatGPT opens up a world of opportunities for individuals who are looking to monetize their skills and expertise. With ChatGPT as your intelligent and versatile assistant, you can enhance your productivity, creativity, and effectiveness in various fields. So whether you're a freelancer, content creator, tutor, writer, translator, or someone seeking to explore the possibilities of AI, ChatGPT is here to empower you and help you thrive in the digital landscape. But remember one thing, success lies in leveraging technology to your advantage, embracing innovation, and constantly improving your skills. The possibilities for you are limitless when you have ChatGPT on your side. Well, that wraps up today's video. We hope you found these 6 ways to make money using ChatGPT in 2023 both informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. That's all for today's video, guys. Until our next video, take care and keep exploring the amazing opportunities that technology brings for you.